While griddles are probably most associated with pancakes and sunny side-up eggs, they're actually one of the most versatile cooking surfaces imaginable. There are many products available to choose electric griddles, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best electric griddles from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bella Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. This wallet-friendly griddle performs well above its modest price point. Featuring a generous 10.5 x 20 inches surface, it heats quickly and evenly thanks to 15 watts of power. The dial offers great temperature control and allows you to heat the surface from warm to 400 degrees, hot enough to turn out pancakes, bacon, and more at an excellent pace. The ceramic nonstick surface is reinforced with titanium for extra durability. Our tester noted that it was incredibly easy to take apart and clean, noting that though it is dishwasher safe, she was able to just wipe it down with a damp paper towel. While there was a hint of staining after cooking eggs, we're confident that this nonstick surface is pretty durable and will work just fine for quite some time. The handles stay cool for optimum maneuverability, and the surface has a ledge that comes in handy to stop hash browns or pancakes from slipping as you flip them. To clean, remove the probe. The surface is fully immersible and the drip tray can go right into the dishwasher. Number 2. Electric Griddle Crepe Maker Cooktop. This electric crepe maker and griddle by NutriChef has an easy-to-adjust temperature dial and a large, flat non-stick cooking surface that cooks quickly and evenly. It has an impressively even cooking surface. The crepes cooked evenly from one side to the other, she raves. If you're a crepe cake aficionado, then this griddle is a must-have. This surface also has a short lip so that your batter doesn't spill over the edge. Plus, the NutriChef comes with a wooden pastry spreader and wooden crepe turner with beveled edges, which our tester found extremely helpful in folding over the crepes due to their large diameter. She also likes that the appliance is multi-purpose. She can cook other breakfast favorites such as eggs, bacon, and sausage with it. Number 3. Cuisinart Panini Press Stainless Steel Griddler. If versatility is important to you, the 5-in-1 griddler from Cuisinart is a great choice. This model has interchangeable plates that allow you to use the machine as a griddle or grill, as well as a traditional panini press, great for sandwiches like traditional cubanos. A waffle plate option is also available for purchase. Open the lid all the way to create a flat-top griddle, perfect for making pancakes, eggs, and bacon for the family. Use the selector knobs in front to control the temperature, from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in griddle mode. When in panini grill mode, you have a variable temperature selection from low to sear, so you can adjust to your heating preferences as needed. Our tester liked the ease of using the griddler, as well as the ability to set the temperature for consistent heating for whatever you're cooking. One drawback they noticed is that though the hidden drip tray is convenient, it is also easy to forget about when it's time to clean up, so you'll have to be conscious of cleaning it before storing the grill away. Number 4. Bella XL Electric Ceramic Titanium Griddle. When it comes to value, this griddle from Bella, a larger version of our best budget pick, delivers it in spades. This durable model offers a 15-watt heating system underneath the titanium and ceramic-coated non-stick surface. The extra-large surface, measuring 12 x 22 inches, means that you can easily cook for a crowd, incredibly useful if you have a large family or are entertaining guests. Our lab tester found the heat retention to be great with this griddle. The second round of pancakes cooked in half the time of the first batch. Cooking bacon was fairly straightforward, though she did have to move some pieces from the edges into the center for better crisping. We noticed that the surface remained slick throughout cooking, almost too slick, as flipping the pancakes without them slipping took some getting used to. To clean, simply remove the probe. The surface is fully immersible and the drip tray can go right into the dishwasher. Number 5. Presto 7055 Cool Touch Electric Ceramic Griddle. If you're currently enamored with ceramic cookware sets, this griddle by Presto might be right up your alley. The cooking surface is made from heavy cast aluminum with a durable ceramic coating, which is naturally nonstick and less susceptible to damage than traditional nonstick coating. The large 10.5 x 20.5 inches cooktop gives you plenty of room to cook for a crowd, from hotcakes to fajitas. We tested this in our lab and were pleased to see we could fit a dozen pancakes on the griddle at once. They cooked in about 90 seconds on each side and were easy to flip thanks to the non-stick surface. We were also able to fit an entire pack of bacon at once but noted that some of the pieces around the edges needed to be moved to the center to really crisp up. You'll also need to manually guide some of the excess grease towards the drip tray. Not a deal breaker at all, but something to note if you're cooking something with a lot of fat. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.